guys, 1 minute with Eric. We are going to do another one from the grab bag. I am not cheating. I promise I have no idea what I'm pulling out. The Marchman Act. Ooh, this one's fun. Okay, so Marchman Act, this is a law in Florida. Now, different states have different laws that are similar. So in this particular law, if you have a friend or family member that you believe is addicted to either drugs or alcohol, you can actually ask the courts to get involved. Now, as a quick aside, I really don't believe that you can force an intervention on someone, or let me rephrase that a forced intervention will actually cause someone to get better. But the idea is that you can petition the court can have the sheriff take this person involuntarily, take them to a treatment facility, have them be assessed by a doctor, then that assessment will go back to the court, and then the court can order that person to get involuntary treatment. Again, you're forcing them. So a lot of times we get calls from parents. Parents are afraid that their son or daughter is addicted to drugs, and they want to force the child to get better. And so this is a law in Florida. A close cousin of this law is the Baker Act. The Baker Act is for mental illness. Similar situation, you have a family member or a friend that you believe is suffering from mental illness and they are a threat to themselves or others. And so you can have the court order the sheriff to take them involuntarily to be assessed, review the assessment, and force them into involuntary treatment. Very powerful. And a little side note on this, the law does not say you have to be a Florida resident. So I've actually seen situations where they have convinced someone to go to Florida under some sort of pretense, like, hey, we want a trip to Disney. And then they get off the plane in Orlando and the sheriff is waiting to take them into custody because they've already prearranged things with the court. Topic for another day. But guys, if you have any questions about the Marchman Act, please give me a call.